Good morning. Today is Monday, February 23rd, 2026. I'm here at Mandarin Holiday Marina. This is the good life. Before I show you the whole cleaning, I did notice right over here, there is a impactful dent right there. Now, I can't really tell if it's gone all the way through. I don't believe it has, actually, but I am just pointing it out just for us to monitor it and see if this pontoon ends up looking like it is going to, take on some water. But it just looks like it's a dent that we need to just worry about, or just, keep an eye on. But definitely pointing it out. All right, let's go ahead and check out the hull clean. Thank you for choosing ES Dive.